Hello, all Linux lovers. Those who are starting with Linux, I can tell you that you are on the right path and you're gonna be really enjoying this video. I'll be showing you how to accept two inputs from the user and perform some simple arithmetic operations. But down the line, these skills will be really helpful when you become an AI engineer, system administrator, or whatever you're aspiring to become. So let's kick this one out of the park. What you can see on my screen is the HackerRank platform that tells us what problems to solve so that we can get it done. This one is called looping with numbers. It's an easy one. 99.42% of people get it right, but I will run you through all the details. Use a for loop. So the task is asking us to use a for loop to display the natural numbers from 1 to 50. There is no input format, but the output format needs to be running from 1 to 50. Let me first start with a solution that doesn't use a for loop, then I'll go back to a for loop. So what if I use the sequence function that runs from 1 to 50? Let me just submit that code and see if it works. Run that code, and yep, it says, congratulations, that was successful. And if I submit the code, let's see if it likes it. Yep, I kind of tricked this problem because I was asked to write a for loop, which I will shortly write a for loop, but I just wanted to show you that this sequence function also works. So for me to be able to write a for loop, I actually need to do it. So for I in $sequence of 1 and 50, what I want you to do, you have to say that, is echo $I, and then you can consider this done. When I press done and run the code, let's see if it works, because I think it should. Didn't really like this one. Did I? Yes, I spelled this one S-E-G instead of S-E-Q. So let's run that code again. Yeah, it says congratulations. If I submit the code, you will see that, yep, it was successful. So this is one way to write it, or you could just simply write the sequence from 1 to 50. I really hope that you enjoyed this one. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.